This phone is unchargeable. I tried to charge its Hisense R2 Pro, but I dropped this phone in river, and after like 1 minute I take it out. And here it's already broken screen and water go inside. 2 days it's work, and after it just fall down. What I want to do, I will try to to make it his back to life. And I have a toaster. I want heat up little bit then. I'll put like it here. Right after I will take it like this isopropyl alcohol and will wash them. Maybe he can take some like prison some water what I get inside, and we'll see. I hope it's this operation is could be successful, but we'll see. Sometime I just try, and nothing happened. Any light, any nothing. It's heat enough. I off this heater. Screen doesn't work any moment. Okay, I'll just take it out. This. Oh, it go directly. Check for it if it can fit. Okay, it can fit. I don't know what happened, but I'm pretty sure for it could be worse, because this already happened. Something happened worse. No. Nothing. And I will give some time for it to get out this stuff. And after we'll try. After 30 minutes I will try on this phone. And it's on. I clean up with this alcohol. Heat up. I don't know how long it could be working, but I hope for a long time, but we'll see. Some of us who watching this video can try if they have a broken screen, some hole in phone for water go inside or some alcohol go inside, and at the end we have like that. Hopefully it's help some of us. Enjoy.